You are waiting at an intersection. The light turns green, and you prepare to accelerate. Before you even make a move, a voice inside your head screams, "Stop." You reflexively slam on the brakes. A split second later, an 18-wheeler runs the red light from the side, missing you by inches. We often attribute these moments to mere coincidence. Documented cases suggest a biological survival mechanism is at work, a physiological response to a danger before the physical event actually occurs. Dr. Helane Wahbeh and the Institute of Noetic Sciences conduct clinical research into these unconscious reactions. This chart shows the timeline of a presentiment response. Note how the participant's heart rate registers a spike right here, several seconds before the marker labeled future stimulus. The body is reacting to a stressful event that hasn't happened yet. Evolution likely favored this hidden radar. Anticipating a predator's attack before it happens provided an obvious advantage for survival. This raises a question for researchers. Can we take this unconscious radar and point it towards something other than survival, like generating fortune? These physiological reactions can cross into our conscious awareness. When seeing the future through dreams or intense gut feelings, it is known as precognition. Individuals receive these signals differently, a profile researchers call a noetic signature. Some feel a physical sensation, while others receive a specific word or image. Major jackpot winners frequently credit vivid dreams or sudden intuition for their success, claiming they felt the victory coming weeks in advance. This lottery intuition utilizes the same biological circuitry as the survival response, functioning on a different informational frequency. Evidence suggests fortune is an accessible biological state that can be actively engaged. In associative remote viewing experiments, teams have used directed intuition to successfully predict precise pick-3 lottery numbers. Look at this timeline. A massive emotional event in the future, like realizing you've won, acts as a beacon. This creates a ripple in the quantum field, traveling backward toward the past. Your present-day self receives this shockwave as a sudden instinct to buy a ticket. Winning the lottery may simply be the result of a person successfully answering a telepathic call broadcasted by their own future self. If this is a biological reality, why isn't every human a millionaire? The primary hurdle is separating a true signal from the constant internal noise of the human mind. This diagram shows the signal, a clean intuition. But as the VO says, daily anxiety and active imagination, notice how the waveform is buried by chaotic static. These loud internal emotions spoof genuine intuition, drowning out the future broadcast. Pulling data from the future requires rigorous mental discipline to filter out that internal static. A lucky person possesses a mind quiet enough to isolate the subtle physiological signals of the future. Whether avoiding a collision or buying a winning ticket, humans are constantly bathed in information arriving from tomorrow. The human body acts as a time-traveling antenna. The only question is whether you are truly listening.